Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making a video of the Aravalis that I've just reached, and it's beautiful. We have already spotted 10 to 20 peacocks. Let me try to show you one or two. Can you hear them? Right there. It's actually very beautiful out here, and this is the rock on which I sat on. Let me just go and show you. So I'll just climb on the rock. Good. Now I'm sitting on it. So this is our Aravali view. It's the best because we've come here in lockdown. So this is the first time I'm coming out in 2 to 3 months, and I love trekking. Wow. Guys, if you want to come, this is in Gurgaon. So I'll upload my video next time, and thank you so much for watching, guys.